Hey, welcome back. So I have another Cricut loom project, which is I am using my hand-spun alpaca, which I've been really excited about using. It was about 22 wraps per inch, so I went ahead and put it in a 10 dent reed. And we're just doing a plain weave scarf. I'm really excited about this project because I always just love working with my hand-spun yarn whenever I have an opportunity. And I did leave a knotted piece in here, so I should have a thread break in just a minute that I will show you how I fix. So here I just take a new thread and I've woven it in, and that's the tail of that thread that you see right there. I wove it in about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter past the point where the thread had broken. So it's all the way in there, it's secure, it's woven in. I move the old thread back for a little while and weave and just continue weaving with this new thread, and it's just being held down by a pickup stick. I've wrapped a thread around a pickup stick several times, and now you can see I have both threads in the loom because once I've gotten far enough, I actually took the pin, wrapped the broken thread around it, and wove it back in, and I've pinned it so it's being held stable and with tension with that pin. And I am weaving with both threads at this time. So I have both threads in place, the one on the pickup stick and the one that's tied to my back beam. I'm just going to keep weaving. Probably do another 2 to 3 inches because I want to have quite a bit of space to make sure it's secure. At which point I will actually take the substituted string and pull it through and trim it off and just tuck it in like I would any other thread. And this will be a very secure fix. It will be completely unnoticeable once the project is finished, and it will hold very strong because I turn the thread once I tuck it in. So it will turn and go towards the weft and lock around as if it was in the weft also, not just the warp. So it holds it pretty stiff. I'm trying to untie this now. It just takes a minute. And I'm just going to pull that through. It's a little bit of fluffiness at the end of the thread where it broke, as would be expected. But I'll trim that off later. And that's how I just fix these little broken threads. I don't think they're really much to worry about. And it will be invisible once it's washed. So yeah. So you're just going to pull that thread through, trim it, and tuck it, and it will be done. Let me know if you have any other tricks that you like to use when you break a thread, or if you've never broken a thread before. That's pretty cool. So let me know if this is a technique you use or if you do something else. So I'm just going to keep weaving, and this will go for a little while, and I'm pretty excited about this project. Have any of you worked with your hand spuns? And if so, what is your favorite hand spun to work with? Do you have a particular animal type of fiber you like to work with, or plant fiber? I've done wool, alpaca, and cotton so far. I'm excited to try some silk. And I've also done a few exotic fibers, but I haven't done linen yet, so I need to give that a shot. But I'm just going to cut this off the loom, wet finish it, just kind of lukewarm water, and then flat dry. I'm going to do some twisted fringes. I'm really excited about those. I will leave probably about 8 inches of fiber so I can twist it because I like my fringes long. So here is my hand-spun alpaca scarf. It is completed, and you can see there's still visually some little gaps, so you can see it's woven, but alpaca is going to form a halo, so I kind of expect over time these gaps will appear a little bit more fuzzy. I could be mistaken, but it's a beautiful scarf. It's got wonderful drape. It's very, very kind of soft. It is fuzzy. I think it's shedding all over me. But it's got a wonderful fluff. It's got these beautiful long twisted fringes. I always prefer long twisted fringes. Occasionally I accidentally make them a little short and I'm like, no, I like them to be at least 6 inches long. That just makes me happy. But this is a good scarf, and being alpaca, it will be warm and light at the same time, which is quite nice. And this is hand spun. So do you guys hand spin your own fiber? And if so, have you woven with it? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully this inspires you to weave with some of your own hand spun. I did show how I fixed a break in the fiber, and honestly, that was a piece of spinning that I had broken, and I knew that it was gonna break, but I left it in the project intentionally because I wanted to show how you can fix a broken thread. So you never have to worry about a broken thread. You can fix it on the loom, and as you can see, it completely disappears in the project. There's no signs of broken threads. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it was this side, but I could be wrong because it blends. It goes away completely. So I am honestly not even 100% sure which side it was. I don't know. So if you like the video, share it with your friends. Have a great one.